All you need to know Revit to start your project. Open Revit. After that, go to Models, then go to New, then select Template. Let's make it metric. Then press OK. To change the unit, press UN, then go to Length, make it unit, let's make it meter, and the rounding, let's make it to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. After that, I want to select my levels. I have just level 1 and level 2. Go to elevation. Then let's select east elevation. Then select levels. After that, go to properties. Select the first one. Then scroll down here in scope box. Let's make it a grid and levels. Then make your levels. Let's make it 3.6. Then press enter. Again 3.6, and the last one 3.6. I have 5 levels here, but it doesn't appear in the floors. Go to view, then go to plan view, then floor plan, make this check, then select your levels, level 3 and level 4. To select multiple levels, press on Ctrl in your keyboard, then select your levels, then press OK. And here I have all my levels. Go to level 1, go to architecture, then go to walls. Let's make wall architectural. I have multi-walls over here. Let's make a new one. Select any one that you want, then go to edit type, duplicate it because I want to create a new one. Name it whatever you want. Let's make it 0.3. Then press OK. After that, go to structure, press on edit. My thickness is 30 centimeter. I have here 20 centimeter. Let's make a new, insert, again insert, and insert. The first layer, let's make it 0.05, and the second layer, let's make it 0.15, and the last one, let's make it 0.1 اللي هو 0.5, 0.15 and 0.10. And let's delete this one. Make delete. Here on materials, I have by categories. I can edit my materials by select this square, press on it, and I have lots the material library. Let's make it concrete. Let's select this one, then press OK. And this one also, you can change it. Let's make it concrete, or let's make it brick. Let's make this one, then press OK. And the last one also, let's make it brick. Let's select this one, then press OK. After that, let's make OK, then press OK. And here is my walls, 0.3 walls. I can draw whatever you want. You can from the properties. I want it from level 1 to level 2. Then go to modify, select lines. Let's make it 10 meter. Again, walls from this point to this point. Let's make it 10 meter and another 6 meter, another 3 meter, 1 meter, and here is our walls. go to 3D, and you can show them. Go to level 1. Let's make a floor. From here we have floor. Let's select floor architectural. The same, select anyone that you want, then press on edit, then duplicate, name it whatever you want. Let's make it 0.2, then press OK. Go to edit, then press insert and insert, and let's make the first one 0.05, and the second one let's make it 0.15, and let's delete this one. Also the same on materials, we have by categories. You can select the first one on the square. Let's make it wood. Let's select this one, then press OK. And the second one, the same, press on this one. Let's select concrete. Select this one, then press OK, then OK. After that, press OK. Then let's make a back line. We have our floor that we created, 0.2. Let's make it a back line. And here is our floor. Then press finish. It's to level 1, then go to 3D, and here is our walls. I want my walls to be connected to the floor. Select all of them, then go base offset. Let's make it minus 0.15, or let's make it minus 0.2. And here is our walls and floor. Now go to architecture, level 1. Let's make a door. Select door. Then you can, from properties, you can select any one that you want, and you can edit it also. Let's select this one, and let's make our door like this. After that, let's make window. Go to window. The same, let's select anyone from here, or you can create your own or load family. Let's create this one. Let's make it like this, and also the same. After that, go to 3D, and here is our doors and windows and walls and floor. Now I want this floor to duplicate it to this level. Select it, select your floor, then go to copy, then paste, align to selected levels, and let's make it to level 2. Then press OK. And here is our floor selected by level 2. Now let's select these walls, press on tab to select all your walls. Then here from top offset, let's make it 1 meter. And here is our 3D models. The same, go to architecture, go to floor architecture. Let's create a new one. Go to edit type, make duplicate because I want this one. The same, if I edit, I will edit this 0.2. I want another one. Make duplicate, name it whatever you want. Let's make it also 0.2, copy, outdoor. then press OK and select the structure. Let's edit this wood plan. Let's make it concrete. Let's select anything that you want. Let's select this one, then press OK, then OK, then press OK. And here is our copy. I have the first one and the second one that I created. Go to create rectangle. Let's make it like this, and let's make this like this. Let's trim split element to this line and let's trim them. Then press finish, then go to 3D, and here is our walls. I want to change materials. Select your wall, then go to edit type. I want the brick outdoor, and the concrete inside. Then go to edit. I have this concrete and I have this brick. Let's select all of this, Control A, then Control C, and also the same Control A, Control V, and let's make this one concrete. Then press OK, then press apply, then press OK. And here is our 3D model.